product testing, beers, hardware, food, forum moderating, reading news, graphs and statistics, logging, Papercraft, martial arts, Re-enactments, magic tricks, Star Wars, Environmentalism, managing your music collection, spotting UFO, fixing computers, cooking, Survivalism, Bodybuilding, laser tag, restoring old stuff, making lists, religion, psychology, crafting, historical tabletop wargaming, bird watching, social media, shopping, Wikipedia, pets, dinosaurs, puzzle games, billiards, non-fiction books, programming, hanging out with friends, helping others, pen and paper role-playing games, fiction books, electronics and robotics, classic card games, learning languages, cartoons, traditional drawing and painting, live-action role-playing games, photography, model building, collecting stuff, playing a musical instrument, cosplay, trading card games, miniatures, comic books.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.